Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious pumpkin spice café de olla iced coffee. So in case you guys want to how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our coffee bags. For this you can use tea bags or you can use cheesecloth. So we're just going to get them ready and we're going to be adding 2 cups and a quarter of coffee, ground coffee, or if you like your coffee to be a little stronger, add 3 cups. So I'm just going to be using this brand. Into that I'm going to add 1 cup. Since these are a little smaller, I'm just going to divide my cups of coffee so they can all fit. Okay. In each tea bag I'm going to be adding 2 star anise and 4 cloves. So I'm just going to secure my little bag. Make sure you tie it. Okay, do the same to the other bag. So 4 cloves, the other 2 star anise. To the rest of my ground coffee, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of ground cinnamon. Secure the bag. Okay, and once we have our coffee bags, now we can get ready to add them into the pitcher. To a pitcher, we're going to add 8 cups of water. Now we're going to place our coffee bags. I'm going to add some weight. And now we're going to allow our coffee to steep for at least 2 hours. Alright guys, so my coffee has been steeping for 3 hours. So at this point we're going to get ready to make our Piloncillo pumpkin syrup. Okay, so we're going to grab a small saucepan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat. And to that we're going to add 1.5 cups of water, along with the cinnamon stick, 2 whole cloves, and 1 piloncillo. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And now we're just going to dissolve our piloncillo. So kind of tap it so it could break. Okay, so once our piloncillo has dissolved, we're going to add 7 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, along with 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So we're just going to dissolve the pumpkin. Okay, so once everything has combined, we're going to turn it off and allow it to come to room temperature. Okay, so once our syrup has come to room temperature, we're going to strain it. Okay, so just make sure that you don't press it down, okay? Just move it around so you can get all of the syrup. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to get our coffee bags out of our pitcher. Just squeeze it. Of course, just make sure that your hands are nice and clean. Okay. And I'm going to strain my syrup again into the pitcher. Okay, so once we have added a syrup to our coffee, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice extract. Just add it in there. And now we're just going to mix it. And just like that, we have our delicious pumpkin spice café de olla iced coffee. To make the foam, I'm going to froth 1/2 cup of heavy cream, along with 1 tablespoon of sugar and a little pumpkin extract. Just going to froth. Okay, so once it's nice and foamy, it's ready, so we can pour it on top of our coffee. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my cup with ice. Going to pour my coffee. I'm going to top it with some cream, or you can add milk. And Just like that. Now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now we're just going to mix it. Hope you give it a try. It's seriously perfect for this time of year. And if you're an iced coffee lover like myself, you're going to love this one. So mix, mix, mix. Cheers and enjoy. So good. Now, I don't like my coffee extra strong, so for me, this is perfect. It's sweet, yet not super sweet. It's just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious pumpkin spice cafe de olla iced coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you request this recipe, please don't forget to tag me at any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.